This is the elevator at some dentist building in Plainview. Or Hicksville, excuse me. Interesting buttons. Pretty sure these are replacements. Pretty sure these used to have the Aurora buttons. Yeah. Inside's original. Oh, Nelly. That was a very... Go now?
Yeah, going now.
Which one?
No problem. तो सीखा ना first floor. नहीं नहीं okay.
First floor?
हाँ?
Oh.
हाँ 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 जी.
You're not going down?
No, he's not coming.
Okay.
Okay. फोन पे करना है. भूला ना भाई. मैं लौंडा ही बंद हो गई मांगो बैठाई थी हम निकले आए लिफ्ट से तो कितना है बंदे को ओ भाई चल ठीक है.
There you go.
Thanks.
Told him. Oh my god, the whole thing just shut. I gotta get that started again. Never know who maintains this. Cab is actually kind of nice. Emergency trap door up there. Traditional. Let's ring the bell again. Very interesting sounding motor. Good. That's it.